essentially the two economic superpowers of the world, right? Having a kind of modern-day Cold War, if you will. But I think the thing we got to remember with China, and it's different from when we negotiate with the EU or with England or countries in South America, et cetera, is the fact that China is very much a different beast. They don't abide by any agreements. If you give them an inch, they will take a mile. Look at the trade deals that they signed with previous presidents, including President Trump in the first term. They have abided by not a single one of those trade deals. They always end up stabbing their so-called partners in the back. And so I think that's why the president has to constantly be dealing with them essentially with a kind of sledgehammer, be that rhetorical or literal.